An outdoor speaker that will have you hopping along to the beat. We'll show you next on HiDEF Lifestyle. Hello everyone, I'm Layman with HiDEF Lifestyle. You know, I'm one of those people that believes music makes everything better, even work. And when I'm out in my backyard, I always have my favorite music playing, whether I'm mowing the lawn or just relaxing on my deck. Now, thanks to Kicker's Bullfrog 200 outdoor music system, I can listen to my favorite tunes worry-free, regardless of what I'm doing. If you're looking for a durable, dependable speaker that can handle the rugged life of the outdoors, then look no further than the Bullfrog 200. Weighing in at only 5.5 pounds, its easy carry design makes it perfect to just grab and go. The exterior is constructed of a heavy-duty plastic surrounded by a hard rubber that can withstand all kinds of impacts and drops. The casing has an IP66 rating, or dust tight, which means it can withstand heavy rain, sand, and dust, but cannot be fully submerged in water. The BF200 gives you multiple connection options for source material. The built-in Bluetooth allows you to stream audio from up to 100 feet away. The Bullfrog's internal memory will remember as many as 5 Bluetooth devices. The unit also has an internal FM radio tuner, giving you more listening options. Kicker includes a detachable FM antenna to improve reception, which if you're using indoors you are definitely going to need. Finally, you have the third option of an auxiliary input jack, allowing you to connect multiple types of portable devices. The sound quality for a speaker of this size is quite impressive. The Bullfrog features two 2 3/4 full-range drivers with dual 2 3/4 passive radiators for enhanced bass. Kicker designed the BF200 with one speaker and radiator in the front and one in the back to help generate a 360-degree sound field. So if you place the speaker in the middle of your patio, it gives you the same clear sound no matter where you're standing. One of the best features of the Bullfrog 200, and in my opinion, one of the ways it really separates itself from other Bluetooth speakers on the market, is its ability to be fine-tuned with the free Kicker Connect app. Alright, once you've downloaded and opened the Kicker Connect app, this is one of the first screens you will see. As you can see, it is connected to our Bullfrog 200. You also notice it has a question mark with a second device possibility. This is for what Kicker calls double kick pairing. This allows you to add another Bullfrog device for a stereo sound effect. Along the bottom you'll see menu for different options for tuning. We're going to start with the equalizer. What's great about the equalizer is it starts off giving you 5 different sound profiles. You got Kicker, outdoor, voice if you want to listen to podcasts, treble, and flat. And you can also then adjust the bass and treble in each. So if you want to add more bass or less, you can hear it right away in the music. Back to that bottom menu, you'll see next to the equalizer, it has the FM tuner. Just go on that. And now you have the ability to tune into your favorite radio stations. You'll notice also at the bottom there are 6 presets. You can preset your favorite radio stations. And finally at the bottom you have the settings menu. This will allow you to do a factory reset if you so desire. Up towards the top of the screen you'll see more controls. The menu button brings you out to the main page, which if you have any other devices other than the Bullfrog connected to your Kicker Connect, you can cycle through that. We'll just go back to where we're at. Next to the menu button is your basic controls for the Bullfrog. You have your power button here, letting you turn it on and off. And then next to that you have your source options. You have auxiliary, Bluetooth, and your FM radio. And then finally we have volume control, letting you turn it up, turn it down, or even mute it from 100 feet away. The Bullfrog 200 lets you work all day and party all night, with its built-in rechargeable battery providing up to 20 hours of portable operation. With that kind of battery life, chances are your smartphone or tablet will run out of power before the speaker. If that happens, have no fear. Kicker provides a USB Type-A charging port to charge your smartphone while you listen. Okay, for those who might not be aware, Kicker's main focus has traditionally been car audio, so when this thing came across my desk, I was extremely skeptical. However, I must admit I was very pleasantly surprised once I actually started playing with it. With its multiple sound profiles and its bass treble adjustability, it really lets you dial in to whatever it is you're listening to. With its incredible durability, I know it will last for years even with my kids beating the hell out of it. So if you're interested in the Bullfrog 200 outdoor sound system, make sure you go to our website, HiDEFlifestyle.com.